Namaskar. How are you? I hope you are all very well and your studies are going very well. Today I shall teach you read and write the names of some poets, scientists, poets, scientists, and newspapers. Some poets, the names of some poets, the names of some scientists, and the names of some newspapers. We know some poets' names such as Rabindranath Tagore, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Annapurna Devi, Sukanta Bhattacharya. All these are the name of poets. They write poem, beautiful poem, and we learn many beautiful poems. Those who are wrote Rabindranath Tagore, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Annapurna Devi, Sukanta Bhattacharya, or others' name. There are many poets' name. We will learn later. Then scientists. Read and write the names of scientists. Who are scientists? Those who are invented many things, such as J.C. Bose, Jagadish Chandra Bose. J.C. Bose, Jagadish Chandra Bose. P.C. Rai, Prafulla Chandra Rai. P.C. Rai, Prafulla Chandra Rai. Next, C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman invented Raman effect. We know C.V. Raman for Raman effect. J.C. Bose, Jagadish Chandra Bose invented plants have life. Plants have life. First said Jagadish Chandra Bose, scientist Jagadish Chandra Bose. Next, Satyam Bose, scientist, Meghnad Saha, Homi Jahangir Bhabha, Homi J. Bhabha, Homi Jahangir Bhabha. These are all the name of scientists. Next, newspapers. Every day morning, I think you know, every day morning the newspaper sellers gives us newspaper. Why? We know many news, district news, village news, towns news, countries news, world news. We know many news with the help of newspapers. So there are some newspapers. The name of some newspapers. Ananda Bazar Patrika is a Bengali newspaper. Bartaman is also a Bengali newspaper. The Statesman is an English newspaper. There are more newspapers. The Telegraph, the Times of India, the Hindu, Sanmad, Sanbad Pratidin. There are many newspapers. So we learn some newspapers name such as Anandabazar Patrika, Bartaman, The Statesman, The Telegraph, The Times of India, The Hindu, Notun Prithvi, and others. So you must read and write at your home the names of poets Rabindranath Tagore, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Asapurna Devi, Sukanta Bhattacharya, or others poets name. Scientist name Jagadish Chandra Bose, Prafulla Chandra Ray, Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, Satyen Bose, Meghnad Saha, Homi Jahangir Bhabha. These are all scientist names. Then newspapers: Anandabazar Patrika, Bartaman, The Statesman, The Telegraph, The Times of India, The Hindu, Sanmark, Sanbad Pratidin, Ei Samoy, or others newspapers, more newspapers. You must read and write these names at your home, and you must learn the names of poets, scientists, the name of scientists, the name of newspapers. So thank you. Namaskar.